Very good morning to all. This is Rajashri, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Commerce, JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukkottai. Very good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about control statement in C. Control statement in C having a if statements, switch statements, conditional operator statements, go to statements, loop statements. And the control statements having a decision control statements, loop control statements, case control statements. Decision making statements having a simple if else, nested if, else if ladder, and loops control statements having a for loop, while loop, do while loop. Case control statements having a switch. And next one for control statements. What is control statements? It is enabled to use a specified flow of program control. That is the order in which the instruction in a program must be executed. They make it possible to make a decision to perform a task repeatedly, to jump one section of code to another. Next one for control statements. Control statements having a 4 types. The first one is decision making statements, and second selection statements, and third one iteration statements, and fourth one for jump statements. Decision making statements having a first, it is a very important one. This is for simple if statements. The simple if statements, first we have to see the syntax. This is for the syntax if and the bracket inside the test conditions and the open braces and the statement block, and final we have to come out statement X. Let us see the simple if. The statement inside the block if only executed. If the given condition return true, if the condition return false, then the statement inside if or skipped. Next the flow chart for if statements. Condition, if the condition is true, the code inside block will be executed. The condition is false, code after if statements are executed, because if the condition is false means the if statements come out the last end of the position, it will be skipped. Let us see the program. The normal header files we have to using #include stdio.h, #include goneo.h. stdio.h means standard input and output dot header files, and goneo.h means console input and output dot header files. Next one for int main function. Int means it is an integer. Okay, I declare the value of integer x and y. I am using in 2 variables x comma y. X equal to 20 and y equal to 22. The both are the data types as integer. If conditions, if x less than y. Printf statements, the variable x is less than y. Why we have to using in return 0? The main function we have to using in int, so we are given to the return type. Next one for if else statements. If else statements is used to carry out the logical test and then take one of the 2 possible actions depending on the outcome of the test, that is whether the outcome is true or false. Next one for the flow chart for if else statements. The condition is true, the if statements will be executed. The condition is false, the else statements will be the executed. Next is syntax for if else statements. If test condition, the first one for true block, and else, the else block having a false block. The last and final for statement X. Next one for the program. The normal header files we have to using the int main function. I have declared in only one variable for data type is int. Okay, printf enter your age, and scanf. Printf it is a output statement, scanf is a input statements. Condition, if age greater than or equal to 18. If the greater than or equal to 18 means you are eligible for voting. If the condition is false, you are not eligible for voting. That is a output for this program. Next one for nested if-else statements. When an if-else statement is present inside the body of another if or else, then that is called the nested if-else. Syntax: if statements, if and next one for test condition, and again I given the if condition 2. Next one for statement inside the body of nested if and else, statements inside the body of nested else, and last one for else and statement inside the body of else. Next one for the program: normal header files, int main. I have using in two variables, the variable 1 and variable 2. I given the two values for variable 1 12 and variable 2 equal to 21. The both of them, the data type is very same, it is for int. Okay. And next one for printf, input value of variable 1, scanf, and next one for printf, input value of variable 2. This is for the condition if variable 1 not equal to variable 2. Second if condition, if variable 1 greater than variable 2. Variable 1 is greater than variable 2, else block variable 2 is greater than variable 1. If the condition is true, the block will be executed. If the condition is false, the else block will be the executed. Why we have to using in return type? The normal, the int main function, so the return type is automatically having, so we have to using in return type. Or you understand the students? Thank you.